Shop light flickers on a Tuesday night on a table that's seen a lot of light. Old green cloth, worn thin and frayed, where a father and a son used to play. I usually don't touch these wooden tops. The leveling's tricky and the work never stops. But he looked at me with his father's eyes, and a story that a paycheck couldn't buy. So I'm pulling the staples, I'm clearing the slate, turning back time before it's too late, changing the forest to a sunset glow, and giving this heirloom somewhere to go. From the dusty green to a vibrant flame, get your game on, son, in your father's name. He said Pops loved the grit and he loved the grind, but he left a lot of memories behind. So I'm smoothing the slate and I'm stretching it tight, that orange felt catching the overhead light. No more shadows, no more ghosts in the field, just a new hand from the deck he was dead. It's a different color, a brand new start, but the same old wood with a beating heart. The rails are set, the pockets are deep, promises made are the ones that we keep. He'll rack 'em up and he'll feel the wood, knowing his old man understood. Yeah, I'm pulling the staples, I'm clearing the slate, turning back time before it's too late, changing the forest to a sunset glow, and giving this heirloom somewhere to go. From the dusty green to a vibrant flame, get your game on, son, in your father's name. Roll the cue ball, let it slide, orange fire with nowhere to hide. Yeah, get your game on, rest in peace, old man. Your table's ready.
In the pines where the shadows grow tall sits a cabin with trophies hung up on the wall. But in the center of the room there's a sorry old sight, a wood top table that won't play right. The balls roll crooked, the felt's gone thin on a surface that warps like a gilt sin. You aim for the corner, it veers to the side. There's nowhere for a bad shot to hide. So pull up the truck and clear out the floor. The sound of real quality's coming through the door from the masters of the craft, where the champions play. We're bringing in the sleigh to save the day. Level and heavy, solid and true. Beards, billiards, and games is coming for you. No more excuses, no more almost won. It's time to get your game on. Hear the rumble of the stone as they set it in place, bringing tournament class to this mountain space. 1-inch Italian home to a gleam, building the table of a pool shark stream. The bumpers are snapping, the rack is tied, the cue ball is screaming through the cabin light. That wood top's a memory, a ghost of the past. Now you've got a legend that's built to last. So pull up the truck and clear out the floor. The sound of real quality's coming through the door from the masters of the craft, where the champions play.